I am obsessed with the little red truck, and I was determined to figure out a way to make one of these with using just Dollar Tree items. And hopefully I succeeded. We start with a hinged box, and we're going to take all the hardware pieces off of that. And they just unscrew. It's really simple to take those off. And then we're going to use one of those little cubes that has a drawer inside. And we're going to take the drawer out from inside and save that for another craft. But we just need the outer piece. We're going to take both of those pieces and spray paint them any color you want. I had used this Paprika satin paint. And then we're going to get one of those little crates, and I took this acrylic paint and thinned it out and used it like a stain, just kind of washed it on it and rubbed it off and let those sit aside and dry. And then take a cable organizer, and you're going to see this like O shape, and we're going to cut the inner part out to have two O-shaped pieces, and then we're going to cut those in half so we have these 4 half pieces. And we're going to spray paint those as well in the color of your choice. I chose again that red paint. We're going to need a 4-pack of finger paint, and we're just going to use the lids of those. So we're going to take the lids off, wash them up, and then we're going to use the tabs that are sticking out that they use to open them, and we're going to cut those off. And these are going to become our 4 wheels. And so these are getting ready to be prepped to paint, and I spray painted those in a matte black spray paint. And these are now your tires and 4 wheel wells. And then you're going to take and make 4 sets by gluing the red piece to the black piece. And just remember, the top part of that wheel is going to make it easier for that to stick. And then it's just gluing all the pieces together. The hinged box is on the front, the cube upside down with the opening on the bottom, and then the crate on the back. And then just gluing the wheels, paired sets together of the wheels to the sides of the truck. I found the lids to these bakeware tins worked really well for the hubcaps and windshields or anything you want to use to decorate. So I just used a prescription pill bottle and circled around that and cut those out, and then cut a little piece off the top, and those fit in the wheels really well if you want hubcaps. You can also use that same material to make windows and headlights. The other things are made from leftovers I had from a tin cookie sheet that I had cut up and had edges, and those edges make really good running boards and bumpers and grills. It really just depends on what and how much you want to decorate your truck. The front end would look really cute. I thought about this afterwards, but where I put the headlights, if you drilled holes there, if you left that top part of the box unglued, I had mine glued down, but you could actually put real lights in there, and the battery box would fit right inside. So this is the back with the bumper. You can put a little license plate on there. Or you can keep it all pretty simple and plain, and then just use the decorations in the back of the box to decorate. And this would be great for different holidays. I can see a picture in my mind, like for Christmas, like little Christmas trees and lights, and even the front of the truck with a little tiny like Christmas wreath. It'd just be a lot of fun to decorate these. So there's so many different things you can do. It'd be really fun to have a little craft party and everybody kind of make these trucks and decorate them and see what you all come up with. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell if you want notifications when new videos are out. And as always, the material list is in the description below the video.